Peace and blessings, family. I'm your natural mystic medicine man, and today I want to share a technique that I use to protect my collard greens. This prevents me from having to spray or do any other type of insect prevention method. Now, a lot of insects will damage your collards. Your slugs and snails will damage them. Cabbage moths will lay their eggs on them and you'll have cabbage worms. They'll damage them. Butterflies will lay their eggs on the collards, and your caterpillars will eat up your collards until they become mature and get ready for the transformation into adulthood. And harlequin beetles will also come in, and they have beaks, so they actually stick their beaks into the leaf and suck out the juices, which are very, very nutrient juices. So what we like to do is take this head net, this hat net, which if you put it over your hat, you'll see here that it protects the head from insects. So you could use this type of thing to protect you against wasps, hornets, which are a type of wasps, honeybees, mosquitoes, and other insects. If it protects your head, it'll protect a head of cabbage, it'll protect collards, it'll protect kale and other brassicas. So we're going to go outside and I'm going to show you how to put this on your collard plant. It's really quite simple. So here I have put the hat net on our collard here. See if I can zoom back out for you. But it's real simple. It goes over the collard just like it goes over your hat. And as you can see, the outside leaves here, if I'm a harlequin beetle, I can come in and stick my beak in and I can still suck out the juices from the outside leaves. But it'll be hard for me to get down, impossible really for me to get down inside and get the inside leaves. Now, see if we can switch angles here. At the bottom here, you'll see that I have drawn the string in. So the string is snug against the stem. Don't know if you can see that, hope you can. So slugs and snails won't be able to climb up under. If I'm a cabbage moth, I can come in and lay my eggs. The cabbage worms will mature and then they'll start eating from the inside, but you can see them through the netting. So you can simply remove the netting and remove the cabbage worms, and the collard green will continue to grow and it won't get skeletonized. So it doesn't work 100%, but it's a good technique to protect your collards, your kale, your cabbage, and other brassicas from those types of insect pests. This has been your natural mystic medicine man. I'm going to talk to you real soon. Peace and guidance.